Start with the magic. Today we start with the magic 8-ball program. Okay, this magic 8-ball program is to pick a message randomly from the given list of message. Here you are looking at magic 8-ball program with the list. Okay, with the list. Here in this import random, importing random package or random library. This random library is used to generate natural number by using random.randint function. Okay, by using random.randint function. Okay, random generation of random number is available in the randint function, which is function or method of random file or random object. Here as a argument you are giving 0, len of messages minus 1. 0 indicates starting value of random number. Len of messages indicates how many messages are there in the list. It's a length. Okay, and you know minus 1 why? Because when the starting range starts with 0, ending range will be length of messages minus 1. For example, if there are 8 different messages, then the range will be 0 to 7. Okay, random.randint generates the random number between 0 to 7. Now here, if you want to generate a random message, or if you want to pick a random message from this list of messages, you are going to display from messages list a random index. Okay, random index will be generated by random number. This portion gives the index of list. For example, see in these messages there are totally 8 messages, like it is certain, it is decidedly, yes definitely, reply hazy, ask again, concentrate, my reply, outlook, very doubtful. This program picks one of the message from this list by using print messages random.randint 0, len of messages minus 1. Now if you try to run this program, see my reply is no indicates what? Which message it is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Index is 5. Okay, this is message of index 5. Once again, if you run the program, try to run. See, now concentrate and ask again. It is displaying this message, concentrate and ask again, like that. Randomly any index will be generated by this random.randint function, and that index is used to pick a message from messages list. Okay, this is about generation of or picking of random message from the list, magic 8-ball program. If you want to continue with magic 8-ball program, continue with the magic 8-ball program using list. Okay, if you want to continue with the magic 8-ball program using list, okay, see here this program using list. This is very small program because you used a list for magic 8-ball. See, without using list, the program will be very lengthy. In this way, program will be very lengthy. You can see here this lengthy program. Okay, import random, same as a previous program, importing random package. And this is the method get answer. Get answer is a method, okay, with the argument answer number colon indicates beginning of the body of the definition or body of the get answer method. Define is a keyword to define the method. Okay, inside this get answer method there are many if else statements. You can see why these if else statements are used. See, answer number is the number generated by the random.randint function. Okay, you can see here random.randint function generates the number between 1, 9 because there are 9 different messages, and fortune equal to get answer r. Get answer method is called here and parameter passed is r, value of the random number, and returned answer will be stored to fortune variable, and that fortune variable will be printed. Now what about this random.randint function? It generates a natural number between 1 to 9. Any number it may be generate. Now that number will be passed as a argument, okay, to get answer function. You can see get answer function definition here. This is a get answer function definition. Okay, in this get answer function, if answer number equal to 1, okay, if 1 will be received by answer number, if 1 is received by answer number, then condition will be matched, then it displays it is certain, that is first message. If 2 received by answer number, displays this. If 3 received by answer number, it returns yes. If 4 received by answer number, it returns this message. See, there are return keyword, as well as there is if, else if, ladder. This construct we already seen. Okay, if answer number is 7, it returns my reply is no. If answer number is 9, it returns very doubtful. Okay, this is the function definition. And in the main body, random number is generated and get answer function is called with the generated random number. Answer is stored to fortune variable and answer will be printed. If you try to run this program, see, now it is generated which message? It selected last message 9 because random number generated is 9 here. Okay, 9 will be passed as the parameter. Okay, that 9 else if answer equal to 9 return very doubtful, that is, this statement will be executed, therefore the answer is doubtful. Once again if you run, see, ask again later is one more message. Here you can see which message here, ask again later here, because random number generated 5, it is displaying ask again. Okay, here it is generating random number between 1 to 9. Okay, and according to generated random number, the result will be returned, it will be different return. This is what magic 8-ball program using if else statement. Okay, if you are having any question or doubt, if you try to compare both the programs, this program as well as this program is using list, this program is using if else. If you try to compare both the program, you can see the answer is same, the concept is same, but see, by using the list, length of the program is only this much, very short program, because from the list, according to index generated by random function, a message will be picked using just messages and in square bracket index. Okay, index is number generated by random function. But if you try to write the same program by using if else, the program will be very lengthy. You can see. Okay, you see this if else now, this if else statement, this much statement, this much statement. These many statements, how many statements are there? Many, more than 12 statements. These more than 18 statements are there. This 18 statements function will be did by or executed by only one statement here. Okay, only one. This one statement performs the function of this 18 statement. Okay, but messages has to be stored in the list, but here messages not stored in the list. This is the difference between both the program. First one is by using the list, another program is without using the list.